In the prophetic voice of Zephaniah comes a stern warning of God's judgment, a chilling forecast of impending doom on the nations that defy his holy commandments. Yet, amidst the storm clouds of wrath, the prophet's words shimmers with hope and restoration. The Lord your God is with you, Zephaniah declares. He will take great delight in you. Not just punishment, but love. Not just discipline, but restoration. For even in his righteous anger, our Lord is a God of mercy and compassion, a beacon of hope for those who turn to him. May we heed Zephaniah's warning and embrace the restoration promised by our ever-faithful God.